how to add social links on your Roblox profile. So I've just logged into Roblox here, and we want to click on the gear icon in the top right. Now we're going to select settings here. If we scroll down from the page that loads directly, you will be able to see a section for social networks. Here you can type out your Facebook profile. You can also add your Twitter or X. You can also add your YouTube channel, your Twitch, if you use Twitch, and also your Guilded. Now here you can type out the links, as you can see here, HTTPS, and this will basically open up the link once somebody clicks it. But what is really important is actually changing this visible to, and we can change it to everyone, so people can get all of our social links here. Now if you want to just make it visible to friends, users I follow, and my followers, you can do that, and for friends and users I follow right here, or only friends. Depends on what you want to, how visible you want your links to be, but I will just leave it as everyone here. Type out your links and you can click on save, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.